Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Binance account on mobile. First, download the official Binance app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to register using either your email address or phone number. Make sure to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. This initial step is crucial for protecting your digital assets. Next, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC. This involves providing a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license. The app will then guide you through a facial verification scan to confirm your identity. This step is essential for security and to unlock full trading features on Binance. After verification, prioritize enhancing your account security. Immediately enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using either Google Authenticator or SMS verification. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code within your Binance settings. This unique code will appear in all official Binance emails, helping you identify legitimate communications. With your account secured, you're ready to deposit funds. Binance supports various payment methods, including bank transfers and credit or debit cards, to get you started. Once funded, you can explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies available and begin trading. Remember to always research before investing. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.